This is the Aurzen BOOM Mini Smart Projector. This is a true 1080p projector with Google TV built-in, Dolby audio, instant autofocus, and 500 ANI lumens of brightness. On paper, it sounds like a full home theater in your backpack. But is it really as good as they say? Well, let's find out. First things first, the box itself. On the front, you've got a sleek product image and feature highlights like 1080p Full HD, Dolby Audio, and Google TV. The sides list key specs, HDR10 support, instant autofocus, and up to 200-inch projection size. Let's open it up. Inside, everything is neatly packed and protected with foam. Here's what you get. There's a small box inside, and in it, you'll find a power cable with a power adapter. A dual Bluetooth and IR remote control. Works even without direct line of sight. Cleaning swabs for removing any dust that sneaks into the lens area. A detailed user manual with quick start instructions. And finally, the Aurzen BOOM Mini Projector, compact with a matte finish and a rubber lens cap to protect it from dust and damage. It actually comes in two colors, but I think the black looks prettier. Right away, it feels premium for its price. The front houses the lens with time-of-flight laser autofocus sensors. The left side hides your connection ports under a rubber flap. HDMI, two USB Type-A ports, and a 3.5mm output. The back features heat exhaust vents with an internal fan to keep it cool during long sessions. The power port is tucked into the bottom left side of the gimbal stand, which keeps the design super clean. On top, you've got a multi-function control knob. Press to power on and off, rotate to adjust volume. The gimbal stand adjusts up to 110 degrees and can also mount to a tripod or ceiling for flexible setups. Oh, and that transparent rear section? That's where the dual 10-watt Dolby speakers live, giving you 20 watts total of 360-degree immersive sound. Setting up this projector is easy and fast. Just need to power it on and the auto keystone and instant autofocus kick in, locking your image perfectly within seconds. Even if the projector is angled, you can fine-tune manually using the remote if needed. Then just pick your projection mode, desk, ceiling, or front rear. Sign in with your Google account, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're ready to stream. The dashboard is powered by Google TV, so apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and Disney Plus are right there. We've got native 1080p resolution, 500 ANSI lumens brightness, and HDR10 support. That means crisp detail, good contrast, and richer colors, especially in darker environments. It can project anywhere from 40 inches to 200 inches, making it perfect for both small bedrooms and outdoor movie nights. Inside, it runs on 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage, so navigation is smooth and app installs are quick. And here's a cool touch. If you move or tilt the projector, it automatically realigns and focuses the image in real time. I even tested it with the lights on in the room so you can see how it performs in daylight. Yes, the picture is still watchable, but once you switch off the lights and create that dark, cinema-like environment, the difference is huge. The blacks look deeper, colors pop more, and it just feels immersive. Honestly, this feels like a weekend movie machine. Just fire up Netflix, grab some popcorn, and you've got a mini home theater right in your living room. Audio is one of its biggest strengths. First of all, I really like the concept of giving a compact projector proper Dolby speakers, not the weak tinny ones we usually get. These dual 10-watt Dolby speakers pump out loud, clear, and surprisingly bass-heavy sound for such a small unit.
And what the walkway was, and they had like rolled out this walkway for her to exit from the trailer to the tents. I went to my tent to hang out.
At just 30% volume, it already fills the room. And at maximum volume, it's powerful enough to feel the punch in action scenes or music tracks.
Feeling alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street light, oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah.
Plus, you can use it as a standalone Bluetooth speaker when you're not watching movies. Personally, I'm going to keep it on my desk, blasting some nice bass-heavy tracks while I'm editing. And honestly, I think I'll end up using it just for music almost as much as for movies. It's got dual-band Wi-Fi for smooth streaming, Bluetooth 5.1 for wireless audio, and of course HDMI for laptops or gaming consoles. I don't have a PS5 to show you in action, but I can confirm PS5 works great with this projector. I've connected my laptop to it, which makes sharing work or school presentations super easy. Plus, you can use Google Cast to mirror your phone screen, browse the web, or display presentations directly, making it perfect for both work and classroom use. Well, it's not heavy at all. It weighs around 2.14 kilograms, so it's light enough to move between rooms effortlessly and compact enough to sit on a shelf or beside a table without drawing attention. The adjustable gimbal stand, which I think tilts up to 110 degrees, lets you angle the lens toward the ceiling or sideways onto the wall. No tripods, no complicated mounting, none of that extra fuss. If you want a portable all-in-one projector that's simple to set up, delivers great sound and lets you stream all your favorite apps without extra devices, this is definitely worth checking out. It's perfect for movie nights, gaming, or even work presentations, all wrapped up in a sleek, compact design. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please consider liking and subscribing for more honest tech content. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.